Okay, here we are, green butterflies, on lesson 11.4. Problem solving, take apart three-dimensional shapes. The essential question is, how can acting it out help you take apart combined shapes? Mike has a cone, cube, well, he has cones, cubes, cylinders, and rectangular prisms. He chose some shapes to build a bridge. Which shapes did Mike use to make the bridge? What do I need to find? Which? Mike chose to build the bridge. They've written the word there for us. What is it? Sh. A. P. Silent E. S. Shapes. Which shapes Mike chose to use the bridge is what we need to find out. What information do I need to use? Mike has these shapes. What's this one? Go ahead and trace it. It is a cone. And this one is a cube. And this one is a cylinder. And this one, I see a rectangle on it. The one with a long, funny word, what is it? It's a rectangular prism. Let's look at this problem. Do you see any cones? Well, a cone has a curved surface. It's got a point on it. Do you see anything like that? Nope, no cones. What about a cube? Do you see anything that has all four sides as squares? Me neither. What about a cylinder? Now this one's a little tougher because the picture of a cylinder and the cylinder we have is tall. You see that? But we have some shapes in here that have a curved surface and then a flat surface on the bottom and a flat surface on the top. You see any? Right here, these blue ones. Those are cylinders. Even though they look like they're squished, they're still cylinders. So yes, he did use two cylinders. What else did he use? Yep, those things are called rectangular prisms. And how many of those did he use? He used 5. So go ahead and circle your rectangular prism to show that he used rectangular prisms. All right. When you're finished, turn the page. All right, we've got somebody else building stuff. It says Kim used shapes to build this castle. Use three-dimensional shapes. Circle your answer. Which shapes did Kim use to build the tower? Now, your shapes aren't exactly like Kim's, but you can use shapes and try to come up with something similar. Is it that? Certainly not. How about that? Is that like Kim's? It is quite a bit like Kim's. So what did Kim use? She used a cone and a cylinder. Okay, go ahead and look at all the rest. Use your shapes if you need to. Go ahead and get started.